show you how to install your heat isolator block, and then your velocity shack, and our new air filter. So we're gonna show you how to do that right now. So let me set you guys down and we'll go ahead and get that started. So first, what you want to do is make sure everything lines up before you even put it in. Alright, now get your screws. Make sure right here, get both of your screws, make sure the washers are in the same place. Slide them in there. Remove this for now, the sponge. We'll put that on later. So slide it in there. Get your key ready. Let me go ahead and get the key ready. So for this, I'm gonna remove my gloves just because they're getting in the way of the screws, but slide them in there. Line them up. Screw on in. Okay. Alright, so now that you have it in, you're gonna want to squeeze them in. Make sure that your gasket and everything is lined up. Tighten each one little by little. That way you don't have too much pressure on one side. Okay. Make sure they're tight. So that way you don't get air leaks. Alright, it should be good. Need it one more time. Alright, now we're gonna mount our carburetor. It does come with a gasket, but I'd rather just use the original gasket it came with. I mean, if it's still good, then go ahead. If not, then use the one that they included. I wouldn't recommend it because it's plastic. So pretty much all there's left to do is slide in your velocity shack into your carburetor like so. Be careful with the gasket. Make sure that your gasket is lined up. Alright, there you go. Line them up. Put them in, and now line this up right here. Make sure, don't forget your filter. Okay, so after looking, I couldn't find the little foam piece, but I know I have some at home, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that later. But anyways, don't forget to put it on. What you're gonna do is start putting your your velocity shack and your carburetor together, like so. Alright, don't forget to screw it in slowly. Yeah, I lost it because I left it outside and there's heavy winds, so that shit must have flown away. But I do have some at home, so luckily I'm okay. But if you do have it, don't forget it because you're gonna need it. So like I said, guys, I know this is gonna be a short video, but it's just so that you guys get an idea of how to install your isolator block and your velocity shack. This is a Dave Motors velocity shack. That's the brand of the velocity shack. If you don't have a velocity shack, you're still gonna need it. So whether they recommend it or not, if you don't have a velocity shack, you're not gonna be able to attach it to your carburetor. So definitely buy it. I mean, you're gonna need it. So that fucking helicopter. So before you tighten them, make sure the inside your gasket is good, so you don't get air leaks. So now tighten these down. Okay, that's it. Alright, bitch ain't going nowhere. Now for, depends what filter you have, air filter, but mine, you have a clamp. So we're gonna go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver. We finally got the screwdriver. Let's put this in like so. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then get your flathead screwdriver and tighten this down so it doesn't come off or anything. Don't over tighten this, it's just a little bit, so that gives it like an extra security method of security, my bad. But yeah guys, so pretty much that's how you install your isolator block, your velocity shack, and your air filter, and your carb. Obviously more videos to come. We're definitely going to be upgrading the car little by little. More parts, maybe buying new more cars. I was looking to get a monster truck, so I might get a 1/5 scale monster truck, so be on the lookout for an unboxing, a review, and more videos on that. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.